So you know how we need something to put our TV on?
Uh-huh.
Jasmine, look at this, bro. I came through the clearance aisle at Walmart.
Ooh,
Okay.
That's nice.
Regular price, $250, $60.
$60?
We monitor customer traffic in and out of the
Oh, this is heavy, moms.
Yeah.
Come on.
Put it down?
Yes. Managed to get it home, and I recruited a low-cost worker, as you could see, and got to work. I'm a strong girl.
Duh.
I've been avoiding putting all this stuff together, guys, and look at this, a little bit of motivation. Just think, the sooner you do this, the sooner you do something else. I really needed that. Huge shout out to our sponsor, the Coldest Water Bottles, guys. They're named the best water bottle of 2017, 2018, 2019, and 2020 by Business Insider, and many more, as well as their water bottles ship out same day. It's true double stainless steel walls, and it's engineered like no other, guys. It floats in pools and oceans. It has never sweat technology. It's BPA free and odor resistant. It's honestly the best water bottle I have ever had in my life. The water stays cold up to 36 plus hours. It also ships out the same day and has 8,000 plus total verified reviews. And honestly, look no further if you're looking for a water bottle, guys. This makes a great gift as well. Links in the description. Thanks again to them for sponsoring today's video. We're on step 5 now. Look at this. Side step. Make nachos. Optional, but recommended. Pro tip, lift with your legs and your arms.
So Jordan just finished building this, and originally it was for our bedroom, and Jordan really wants it for the bedroom for like our TV, but I thought it would be so nice where like my coffee bar area is, because I don't know, I just envision it. So we're gonna check it out.
Just so you guys know, all of this is coming down. We are going to be decorating this wall, different things.
That looks nice. You gotta admit, it looks nice.
You're welcome, Jordan. That's your
How
mood.
you feel inside.
No, that's actually you and that's me. It looks like a DVD player.
It does, huh? This is me right now, though.
For real.
I need caffeine. I don't have any caffeine in my system, and my head can feel it.
Do you like that right there?
Yeah. Finally. I'm finally getting my coffee bar. It's good. I found these at the dollar store, like, I don't even know, a while back. They got like they got slime all over in the back. But I was thinking of cutting the string off, maybe painting it, because I don't know, but that's cute, right?
Yeah.
I can even change the background. I can pop this off and put something else in the back.
The back is just the pink.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, I think this is so cute. This little coffee sign. Look at that. Oh my god.
I think it's ugly.
Well, guys, let us know what you guys think. We got a lot of plans and ideas to get this wall finished. Jasmine just put a bunch of stuff up here. For now, we're gonna go ahead and organize it. Honestly, I'm pretty happy with it so far. I think it's gonna look really nice once we're all done. So one of the things that we need to work on is storage. And not just storage, but like displaying them, because for her, there's something that she's really proud of. She picks them out, people give them to her, and she wants to show them off. So she's sending me some ideas that she found on Pinterest. Are you okay?
I need soda. So I've been going on Pinterest for like almost a year now, getting coffee bar inspo. So I just send them to Jordan, and I'm like, I want something like this or something like this, or I want this sign or like this mug holder, like, so yeah.
Jasmine really liked the twine, so this will be going up on this wall. And here is the mug holder tree that I got. I'm probably gonna make another one and this one bigger so we can hold even more, but it looks really good on here. If you guys watch our vlogs, you'll know that I completely glued something to this wall, and Jasmine made a lot of fun of me and low-key kind of mentally abused me for that. But I'm touching it up now, a couple months later.
You look at the bad guy.
Don't do dumb things if you don't want to be treated like you're dumb. So Jordan finally hung up this like mug holder that he made for us, and then we put some of our favorite mugs on here, and
What do you think?
I think it looks really nice.
Starting to come together, guys. Take a look.
I actually love it, and I want to put some signs right here. Honestly, I think I'm gonna leave these 3 up here just because it's cute, but I probably will take this off and then do some more because I saw some funny signs that I want to put up, some cute ones too. So
we have so many more to go put away or get rid of or hang up, or I don't know.
Glass.
A lot of glass. And look at this, is probably one of my favorites right here.
I like the pink one.
Straight from Disneyland.
I found that one, luckily.
Cocoa one.
So Jasmine got all of her throat coats, and she's doing some organizing, and she's going to be sticking them in the coffee bar. And this will help us save more room because we have more storage in other places.
It's a coffee and tea bar. Peppermint tea is the ish. Why do I have this? Pregnancy tea. Damn! That expired in 2017. Freaking hoarder.
Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this, be sure to give it a thumbs up and come back for more updates because we got some more projects coming. Something to do with K-Cups.
Yeah.
So Jasmine commissioned me to make herself a coffee bar sign. So I went with a Disneyland, Fantasyland theme and cut it out. She wanted a sign with a lot of contrast. And by the way, my dad bought me this brand new table saw, and this was my first time using it. I cut the letters out with my scroll saw. Jasmine wanted the letters to be white with a dark background, so I stained the background with a very dark stain, and this is how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think and stay tuned for updates because we haven't finished this yet.
Escape.
Bye.